good, guys? Welcome back to my channel, Ahooperstouch. This is your girl Dana, and if you're new here, hit that subscribe button, turn on that bell notification so you are notified every time I drop a new video. Whew. Okay, so in today's video is something very different. If you read by the title, you'll know what we're doing here. So I've been wanting to dye my hair for the longest. I've been going back and forth between different colors and I just couldn't pick. So what I did today was allow my mom to pick the color for me. Yes, I let my mom pick the color for me. So the color that she picked was cinnamon. So if you're watching this video, that means something good happened. Or not. I don't know. You'll have to watch the video all the way through. But what I plan to do is mix this cinnamon adore with 20 volume developer. So I'm going to mix it together so it's kind of lightening and coloring my hair all at the same time. Don't know, it makes sense in my head, so we'll see how it comes out. But before we even get into it, hit that like button, tag me, tell me if you ever dyed your hair. Tell me if you ever dyed your hair with a door, because we experimented today. I was thinking about doing this emerald color or blue. I even saw like this lilac or lavender color. It was really pretty. And what I only plan on doing, because I don't know if you guys knew from my other video, I believe my last check-in video, I did cut my hair. So I cut my hair around the time of my birthday and I straightened it. So we have, you know, a little a little bun back there. So that is all I plan on dyeing today. I only plan on dyeing like this bun area, maybe a little bit in here, but I'm going to keep my roots and stuff black. So it's going to be business in the front and party in the back. Y'all caught on to that? Y'all get on to that? Okay, let me stop talking to y'all and let me get into it. All right, guys, so the first thing you need to do is put on a shirt that you won't really mind getting messed up. So I am not too sure what exactly the portions I am going to use. So I am not a professional. I'm just, you know, a person that is tired of this and wants to change the color of it. So the things that you will need is a mixing bowl. Of course, you'll need your color and your developer. You don't have to use developer if you don't want to. Previous times that I've dyed my hair with a rinse or a semi-permanent, I never used developer. And I use, what colors did I do? I changed my hair to a fuchsia plum and a Coca-Cola before. And I never used developer. But this time, since this is a cinnamony, orangey, brown color, I just want to lighten it a little bit more. I want it to be very noticeable. So we'll see how that comes out. And then I also have this. I may not be using this, maybe just to stir it up, and that's about it. And then I also have clips to kind of section my hair out. My hair is pretty thin. It looks thick when it's curly, but my hair is pretty thin, so I may not need these or at all. And the most important, so gloves, because this color gets everywhere. And then once you're done putting your color on, yeah, you put your shower cap on, you let it do its thing. So let's get started, guys. Okay, so what I think I am going to do is put 2 ounces of the developer in here. And then maybe the whole bottle of the color. Y'all, we experimenting together, okay? We are experimenting together. I don't even need this much because I'm not doing my whole head, but you see that. That's why it's good. Y'all, hold on. Okay, I'm back. And I'm a little more prepared. All right. So what we have here is 2 ounces. I don't know why I filled this whole thing up. You see that? 2 ounces of developer, 20 volume developer, and then it's all 4 ounces of this bottle. All right, so let's get into it. Ugh. Oh, that feels so good. So this is my hair right now. As you can tell, it's not really, it looks dark on camera, but my hair is actually like a lighter, a pretty light brown. Alright, so we're gonna section it off. Oh, my poor hair. It's so short. I don't know what to do. Okay. I'm not a professional, y'all. So whatever I do, it's just me wanting to change my color. I know I said that once, but just letting y'all know. So what I'm gonna do is just start putting it, I'm not going all the way to the roots. I'll probably start here. So yep, from here down, I'm gonna do my whole head and I'll come back to you guys once it's done.
Saw something special, you didn't push on me, you didn't know effort. You said pull up on me, my actions show better. I like how you moving, you do it, no error. You've always been patient with me, texting back and forth, not sweating my knee. You gave me my space, said that you never leave. Your vibe got me anxious on where this can lead. So where does this lead? Show me what you need. My love's guaranteed, don't be scared of me. It's not what it seems. And I'm just trying to take you there. Hey, you ain't going nowhere. No need to be scared. I'm trying to take you there. And I'ma be right here, boy, I swear. Take you there, take you there. Take you there, take you there. Take you there, take you there. And I'ma be right here, boy, I swear. You keep it so smooth with me. Take me out to show me some new things. You can have anything that you dreamed. I'm not trying to leave, I'm ready, just leave. So try and trust me. It's not the same thing. You used to believe. Now my heart's on my sleeve. So where does this lead? Show me
Okay, y'all. So this is what it looks like right now. Am I nuts, or does it look like it's already changing colors? Am I tripping? Okay. All right. I don't know. All right. If I look confused right now, that's because I am. All right. So, what we are going to do next is put this bag on my head. I like to double it up, so I'm gonna double it up. It says let it process for 15 minutes with heat. So since the developer's in here, I don't think I want to put heat on my hair. All right. I'll check back in 15 minutes. Bye, guys. All right, y'all. So the time definitely got away from me. So it's been about 30 minutes. So let's see what it looks like. You can definitely see the color, but I don't know if it's because like it's a combination of like my gel and the dye, or is it really like that color? So I'm thinking maybe I can leave it on a little bit longer. I don't know. I'm nervous. You see? I think it might just be like I think I'm gonna leave it on. I'm gonna leave it on. And this time I'll probably add, because I put it back in here, so I'll probably add a little bit more and then get it's so hard to tell. So I'm gonna add a little bit more. I'm gonna put it on, and then I'm gonna get oh, scary. Just gonna add. Okay, y'all, so as you saw, I put the rest of the color that I had in the bottle, I put it on the rest of my hair. So it started off with me just doing my bun. Now I have it throughout my hair. Let me show y'all. So I don't know what it's gonna end up looking like. I'm gonna put a little bit of heat on it, and then I'll be back in like 10 minutes and we're gonna rinse it out and we're gonna get what we get. All right, y'all. So this has been in my hair a lot longer than it should be. So hopefully we don't have hair falling on the floor. But I put a little heat in it. Let me show you what it looks like. I don't know what color is actually going to show up, but I'm going to go and rinse this out. Wash it, deep condition it, and maybe come back later today or tomorrow. I'll show you guys what the color looks like in the sun. I still kind of don't really see a difference. I kind of want to leave it on longer, but it's time to rinse it out. So I'll be back once I'm done with all. Okay, guys, it's a couple of days later, and I think it's safe to say that it did not work at all. I'm going to insert a picture now. It's the same color. So I do plan on dyeing my hair again. Don't know what color, don't know when. Maybe next week, just to give this, even though it didn't change, I still, processed it a little bit. So just to give this a little bit of time to accept its new color. I don't know. But I will definitely document the next time I dye my hair. And the next time I dye my hair, I am going to use the L'Oreal High Color. I've seen a lot of good reviews and tutorials about that one. So hopefully we can get a little something in the back. But thank you so much for watching this video. And if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button. Turn on that bell notification so you are notified every time I drop a new video. Bye.